Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nyla, and I am back with another beautiful Skyway Classics vehicle. Today, I'm very excited to show you a 1966 Bronco. Definitely has been restored, updated, got some customizations. Absolutely beautiful. It's got a nice gray paint job, black rims and tires. We got the black interior. Now right now we do have the back seat taken out of it, but it does have a back seat that bolts down to the ground. We just detailed it and got it real nice and clean, so we took that seat out so you can have a classic two-seater and have the entire back open, or you can put that seat in and you could possibly fit even 5 people in there. But this thing is just awesome, awesome, awesome. Super rugged, just nice and industrial style on the inside. It's got some light bars on the front. It does have shaved door handles, so you just simply pull on the lock or unlock, open her up. Nice, simple interior, so it's nice and easy to keep clean if you're gonna get her dirty. Got the 4-wheel drive. It is manual, 3-speed on the floor. Just so stinking cool. Just doing a quick little walk around so you can get a 360 view of the interior and exterior. Next, I will get that engine started. We'll take a look at the engine bay. We'll follow it up with a drive and some shots of the undercarriage. Stay tuned.